Today we are doing an overview of Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel. It is compatible with PS4, PS3 and PC, and it is not written on the box. The wheel comes with the RPM shift indicator LEDs. It also has an on-wheel game control. It's moving with dual motor force feedback, and finally there is real leather and metal component in the wheel. The G29 also has a 24-point selection dial for controlling your setup in the car. And the big letdown of this product is that Logitech didn't include the shifter in the box. You have to buy it separately. And in the G27 it was included. This is just a way to make more money, and we don't like that. The pedal base is made of hard plastic of good quality. The pedals themselves are made of aluminum. The springs are really hard. The sensation of the brake is not the best. Some people on the web have some solution to have a better feeling. You can check that out on YouTube, and maybe in the future I will do a video on that. You can mount the base on your rig, or you can also use the spike if you play on carpet. The best thing about this wheel is all the buttons that are easily accessible from the wheel. This is made for the PlayStation, but it also works on a PC. And this is the main improvement that the wheel got from the G27. And this is why I changed the wheel in the end, so I was able to touch all the buttons easily with my VR headset. The wheel can be clamped to a table, but the best way to play is to install it on a rig or a wheel stand like I have right now. This is called the GT Omega stand. If you want, I can do a video in the future. Please leave a comment below. The installation is easy, but before screwing everything on the rig, it is important to test it out. The pedals are attached to the base using butterfly screws that are provided in the box. The same process also applies to the wheel, but before that you need to do some cable management so everything is neat and tidy. Once everything is installed, you just need to go on Logitech website so you can find the driver and the software. So now it's time to have some fun. I will be using an Oculus headset to race with my G29. To give you a proper review, I will play Assetto Corsa and Project Car in the following weeks, and after that I will do a review of this product. So please subscribe, like, and see you next time. It's TechDad. Ciao!